These are some of the Evolved Stone economic advantages. The product installs 10 times faster, increasing your crew's ability to take on additional work without increasing your crew size. Labor skill level. No specialty training is needed to install Evolved Stone. No lath and mortar. Our mortarless system is a cheaper underlayment system than any other traditional stone veneer. No temperature restrictions. The ability to install in winter weather eliminates downtime due to temperature restrictions. No staging. Evolved's lightweight product installs without specialty scaffolding or staging. No structural considerations. Structural considerations for either new construction or renovations are not necessary. Less waste. Product durability reduces waste due to breakage during shipping and installation.
Evolved Stone. Nailed it.